Hey there everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal, for those of you who are new here, and on this channel I talk about all things fashion and lifestyle. So today's video, we're talking about my new favorite bag. Let's get into it. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a review on one of the new bags I just recently got. I got this bag in January, and it was just like kind of like an on a whim. Well, I don't know if you want to say it was on a whim, but I was kind of, you know, looking out at the Gucci bags, and I already have one. I have the Momon, and so I decided that I wanted to get another one, you know, because I love the brand, and so I liked this particular style of the Gucci bags. Out of all the ones that I was, you know, kind of looking at on the internet or on the Gucci website, this is the one that kind of caught my eye. I liked the shape of it. I liked it was kind of had like this kind of like hobo kind of style to it, and yeah, so I knew I wanted it in this kind of pattern because I have it in another pattern, the Momon bag. I have it in another pattern, and I got it actually last year for my birthday. So this was a Gucci bag that I got for my birthday this year. So I think I'm just gonna make it a, you know, a little tradition where I just purchase a Gucci bag every year for my birthday. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna make that a tradition. So this is the one I got this year, and I've been wearing it non-stop since I got it. I probably at least wear this once a week maybe, and I would say that it goes with everything. As you can tell, it's neutral, but it does have like the, you know, the color obviously of the green and the red that Gucci's known for. So it kind of made me a little weary, you know, as far as purchasing it, because I figured, you know, I don't wear a lot of green and red, and so I didn't quite know if I would find ways to style it. And so I've actually found that I've had several ways to style it, because you can just wear an all neutral look. I mean, yeah, it's a no-brainer, right? I mean, I can wear an all neutral look, and if I wanted some pop of color to a look, or wanted to incorporate some pop of color to the look, this is my pop of color, right? So let's get into the deets of this bag. So on the website, and I'm looking actually at the Gucci website, this bag is called the Ophidia GG small shoulder bag, and right now it retails on the site for $12.50, which is, I think that's how much I paid for it. And yeah, so they have other styles in this one. They have it in like a tote, kind of medium tote, and they have it like in a another small shoulder bag. They have it in a, you know, different shoulder bags they have it in, but I particularly like this one just because I don't know why I like this one, you know, more so than the other ones, but I think it's because I didn't have anything like this. As far as the style, like I said, it's kind of like in this hobo kind of shape, and I don't have a lot of bags like this, so I think it's a good investment piece. And the fabric on it is kind of like, it's, I don't know how to really describe the fabric. It's not like anything too stiff, so I feel like because of that you can fit tons in it. And I'm not gonna do like a what's in my bag, because I just keep the same stuff in my bag. So but you can see it's really spacious. Like I can literally put everything that I need, and really I don't even really carry around this much stuff on a regular basis. But if like I'm, you know, going out of town somewhere and I just need a lot of stuff to fit in my bag, or if I just want to, you know, I have a lot of stuff, then this is a good bag that I've, you know, been using. And so like I said, like it has so much room, and like I said, I don't even have it stuffed. Like I can even put more things in here. I feel like, you know, my phone obviously is gonna fit in here, but I feel like maybe like a small little tablet could fit in here. So if you go on like a, you know, small little, you know, road trip, a 2-3 hour road trip, and you just need like something to put your like tablet in, I feel like your tablet could fit this. Yeah, my daughter has a tablet, and I can definitely fit the tablet in here. So I feel like it's a pretty practical bag if you don't want something too small and you don't want something too big. I like tote bags, but they're just too big. I'm like finding that I'm having to get things, you know, find things to put in my tote bag. So but with this particular bag, like it definitely keeps, you know, it's definitely big enough to keep all my stuff. And it has like a little pocket here that I just have like the authenticity cards in, and I have like a little lip gloss. I don't even know why I have it just tucked in there, but you know, it is. But it's a nice bag. Like I don't know why I keep showing you guys like the size. Like you can fit a lot of things in here. And I love the GG here on the front of it, and the back it's just plain. There's no GGs on the back, but it does have the red and white stripe. And yeah, like I said, the fabric is very, you know, thin, and I feel like if you, I mean, you really have to try this, but I feel like you can probably get a knife and slit it. Like, I don't know who would do that though. What crazy person would do that? But you have to be careful if you're like around sharp objects, I guess, because you could probably poke through this. So that's one thing that yeah, I don't particularly like about it, because it's not, I mean, it's durable, but I feel like, you know, and this is if you're really trying, like you can really puncture it. But you know, I have a few little sharp things in here. I have like a pen in here, but a pen obviously is not going to penetrate it, but you know, obviously a knife would. But it's kind of like a fabricy, it has like fabric on the inside of it, so this isn't like anything like too delicate, like suede or anything, because one of my other Gucci bag, it has like suede in it, but this is just kind of like, I don't know, like a canvas kind of fabric to it in the inside of it. And then on the outside, it kind of feels kind of, I don't know, the outside is kind of plasticky, which is also a good point, because, you know, it's very durable as far as spills. So if you're accident prone like me, then you don't have to worry about, you know, getting anything on the outside and it not just wiping up. You know, of course, this is fabric, so you have to kind of worry about staining this part. But I feel like that would be easy to clean up as well. So, and I like the GGs, like it's not too bright. It's kind of like that, I don't know, kind of like a dull kind of gold or like a brassy kind of gold. So it's not like a really light, bright gold like my other Gucci bag that I have. So I kind of like that antique gold. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. I like the antique gold of the GGs. It kind of gives it like an old feel. And I think this is inspired by like, I think it's like an older kind of like vintage kind of inspired look, I think is what this is. Because I think this was, don't quote me on this, y'all, but I think this was inspired by like bags that they made in the Gucci back in the day. I think, I haven't researched that, so don't quote me on it, but I'm thinking that's what this is, because this definitely reminds me of like a throwback, like a, you know, something that, you know, could have been worn back in the 60s or the 70s, you know, because it gives me those vibes. So and then it of course has the strap, which the strap is not, oh yes it is, I was gonna say it's not adjustable, but it is. I haven't had to adjust it because I like it the way it is, and I have it on the last little notch here, on the last little hole. But of course, if you're shorter than me, I'm 5'7", you can, you know, put the notch up a little bit so that it's not like too long on you if you're short. But I'm tall, so I like mine to be at the very last. But it is an adjustable strap, so it is more of a crossbody, which is why I got it as well, because I love crossbody bags, and I wanted to wear this kind of like, you know, like a very casual kind of way. This bag to me is a bag that you would wear casually. Like, it's not something I really dress up an outfit, I don't think. I mean, of course you could, but to me it's more so like a casual bag. And so that's really why I wanted to get it, is because I wanted to, you know, dress it up in like a casual way. So, but crossbodies, you can't go wrong with crossbodies. I feel like too, if like you're a college student or something, or, you know, a high school student, if you know, into going, you know, wearing designer bags to school, I feel like you can put your school supplies, like any kind of school supplies, like pens and, you know, a small notebook, you know, a small little notepad, and like I said, like a small tablet you probably could fit in here. Like it's spacious is what I'm trying to say. And because of the fact that it's, you know, not structured, it's not stiff, you could really put a lot of things in here. So I keep emphasizing that, because I feel like with bags like this, that, you know, you want to make sure you get a good wear out of it. So you want to make sure that you can fit as much as you can, but not too much to where it's like you need something bigger, you know, where it's not like packed and stuffed in there. So and also too, I want to say it's not heavy. So that's another good thing. Like, you, even with all the stuff that I have in it, it's still not heavy. It's still not too, you know, too overbearing and too just, you know how some bags you get and they're just heavy in themselves before you even put anything in them. So this is very lightweight. So, you know, it's really up to you as far as how, you know how heavy it is as far as what you put in here. And I have a lot of stuff in here, and let me tell you, it's still not heavy. Like, I can put even more stuff in here and I feel like I'm gonna break my back when I'm wearing a, you know, crossbody. So, which when you're wearing something crossbody anyway, you're really not hurting your back. So I don't know if you can see, I'm gonna try to stand up so you guys can kind of see like how it is on me. Like, this is kind of where it goes on me, and like I said, I have it on the very last little notch. And so this is kind of like where I would want my crossbody. Some people like them up here, kind of like under their boob. I don't like that. I do have some bags where they kind of tuck under my boob here, but I like it to my waist. I feel like that's pretty much how you should wear a crossbody, or how I feel comfortable wearing a crossbody, or how I feel, you know, a crossbody looks good is kind of across your body and not across your chest, if that makes sense. It's kind of across your body like that. So that's kind of how it looks on me, like I said, on the very last little notch here. So but it's definitely worth it. I said all that to say that it's worth it. I definitely don't regret buying it. It wasn't anything on my wish list. It wasn't anything that I had, you know, my eyes on. You know, it wasn't on my radar. I just so happened to, you know, go on the site, you know, before my birthday, and was just kind of looking because I knew I wanted another Gucci bag this year. And so I saw this one, and you know, I went to the Gucci store and fell in love. Like, I immediately got it. As soon as she showed it to me, I immediately got it, because I knew like in my head I can get so much wear out of this, just based off the neutral looks that I wear. So, but yeah, definitely don't regret buying it. I think it's very much so a good investment piece if you're looking to invest in a Gucci bag and you want like your first bag. I would say this one is a good first bag compared to my other Gucci bag that I have. Let me show you guys the other one that I have. Okay, this is the other one that I have, and I've already done a whole review on this. I will link it down below or put it up here so you guys can see my review on this one. But as you can see, the size comparison, like this one's definitely smaller. So I really feel like this one would be a good first Gucci bag to have. I really do. And I don't have a lot, but I feel like as far as if you have a casual kind of lifestyle and you don't dress up a lot, you're not one of those that like goes into the office, like you want a good cute little bag that you can style up, wear multiple different ways, and just, you know, feel like you're gonna get your wear out of it. It's not like one of those special occasion bags. I feel like this is a good one to get. So I really love it, and I love the print on it. It's not to me, the print on this one, I don't know why, but the print on this one is not as in your face as the print on this one. I don't know, I could be totally just making that up, but I mean, it's obviously the same GG print, but this one looks, to me, it's just a little bit more subtle. I don't know, it's kind of camouflaged into the bag a little bit. So, but you guys let me know what you think, and I will link this down below if you are interested in it. Like I said, this one was $12.50. I don't know how much this one is now. I think I paid under $1,000, and this is just a little bit over. So it's a good investment piece, and definitely don't regret buying it. And I feel like it's such a good first handbag to invest in. So I will link it down below if you are interested in it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for this review. If you have any other questions about this particular bag, then just ask those down in the comments. I'll try to answer to the best of my ability. And if I miss anything, like I said, just ask me down in the comments and I'll be sure to answer them. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like videos like this and just fashion videos in general, because I do a lot of those here on my channel, then just don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye guys.